Self-heal, Prunella vulgaris, also known as heal-all, is a remarkable perennial herb with a broad range of medicinal applications. Despite its extensive uses, it remains relatively unknown compared to other medicinal plants. This Materia Medica explores the botanical characteristics, cultivation requirements, identification, edible uses, medicinal properties, and cautions associated with self-heal. Self-heal belongs to the Lamiaceae family, commonly known as the mint family. It thrives in USDA hardiness zones 4 to 9, making it adaptable to a wide range of climates. The plant is commonly found in meadows, woodlands, lawns, and along roadsides. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and grows well in both full sun and partial shade. This adaptability makes self-heal an easy plant to cultivate in various environments. Identifying self-heal is straightforward due to its distinct characteristics. The leaves are opposite, lance-shaped and slightly hairy with serrated edges. The flowers are small, tubular, and typically purple to violet, clustered in dense spikes at the top of the stem. The plant usually grows to a height of 6 to 12 inches, forming a low, spreading ground cover. Self-heal is not only a medicinal herb, but also an edible plant. Both the leaves and flowers can be consumed fresh in salads, cooked as a vegetable, or brewed as a tea. The mild, slightly bitter taste makes it a versatile addition to various dishes, providing both nutritional and medicinal benefits. Self-heal has been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries, valued for its diverse therapeutic properties. Cold sores and genital herpes. Self-heal is effective in treating cold sores and genital herpes. Applying a poultice of fresh leaves directly to the sores or using a tincture or ointment helps reduce outbreaks and promotes healing due to the plant's antiviral properties. Diabetes. Regular consumption of self-heal tea or tincture can help regulate blood sugar levels thanks to its hypoglycemic effects, making it beneficial for managing diabetes. Cancer. Self-heal contains antioxidants and compounds that may inhibit cancer cell growth. It can be taken internally as a tea or tincture to support overall health and potentially reduce cancer risk. Immune system stimulation. Drinking self-heal tea or tincture can boost immune function, helping the body resist infections and maintain optimal health. Wound healing and skin infections. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of self-heal make it effective for wound healing and treating skin infections. Applying fresh leaves as a poultice or using a topical ointment promotes rapid healing. Insect bites, stings, rashes, and poison ivy. Crushing fresh leaves and applying them directly to insect bites, stings, rashes, or poison ivy reduces itching, inflammation, and promotes healing. Viral infections, including HIV. Self-heal's antiviral properties are beneficial in managing viral infections. Consuming it as tea or tincture helps support the body in fighting off viral pathogens. Respiratory infections. Drinking self-heal tea or using it in steam inhalation helps clear respiratory passages and reduce inflammation, making it useful for respiratory infections. Allergies. The anti-inflammatory properties of self-heal can alleviate allergic reactions when consumed as a tea or tincture. Chronic inflammation. Regular intake of self-heal tea or tincture can help reduce systemic inflammation, benefiting those with chronic inflammatory conditions. Kidney issues and hypertension. Self-heal's diuretic properties support kidney function and help manage blood pressure. Drinking self-heal tea can be beneficial for individuals with kidney issues or hypertension. Heart issues. The antioxidant properties of self-heal support cardiovascular health, making it a valuable herb for maintaining heart health. Liver issues. Consuming self-heal as tea or tincture supports liver function and detoxification processes. Hemorrhage, bleeding, including extreme menstruation. Self-heal's hemostatic properties help control bleeding. Drinking the tea or taking the tincture can manage hemorrhage and alleviate symptoms of extreme menstruation. Digestive issues, colic, Crohn's disease, gastroenteritis, ulcers, ulcerative colitis. The anti-inflammatory and soothing properties of self-heal make it effective in managing various digestive issues. Drinking the tea or taking the tincture helps alleviate discomfort and promotes digestive health. Hemorrhoids. Applying self-heal as a poultice or using it in a sitz bath reduces inflammation and promotes healing of hemorrhoids. Warnings and precautions. While self-heal is generally safe for most people when used in moderate amounts, it is important to exercise caution. Long-term use has not been associated with significant side effects, but starting with a small dose is recommended to assess individual tolerance. Larger doses may cause mild gastrointestinal upset in some individuals. Harvesting. Self-heal is best harvested in late spring to early summer when the plant is in full bloom. Both the leaves and flowers can be collected for medicinal use, ensuring that the plant's potent properties are fully utilized. Self-heal is a highly versatile and valuable herb with a wide range of medicinal applications. Its relative obscurity may be due to the prominence of more commonly known herbs, but its efficacy and ease of growth make it a worthy addition to any herbal repertoire. Whether used for its antiviral, anti-inflammatory, or general health-promoting properties, self-heal stands out as a powerful natural remedy